friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today I'm going to show you how quick and easy I decorate my entryway. And I use things that I have, a couple of new things I've bought, but no theme to anything, just all Halloween. So come on, decorate with me. First thing I'm going to do is, this is that little table that I found that someone had thrown away last year, and I fixed it. So I'm going to decorate it. I've decided to keep it there. I'm going to put a ceramic pumpkin right here. I made this pumpkin a long time ago when I used to make ceramics and paint on them. And I'm going to start off by putting this little wreath on this little window pane here. I added that since we moved in, and I just think it adds character to the hallway. And I've decided not to use a Halloween wreath here just because I want it to be neutral. And it's kind of hard because I stuck a paper clip as a hook there. And I got this on clearance last year at Dollar General after Thanksgiving, I think. And look how pretty that looks. Here's my ghost that I did buy this year at Ross. And I showed that to you on my collective haul video. And I think I'm going to use all these things that I have here. And like I said, a lot of it's stuff on sale that I've picked up. I think I'm going to add a little pumpkin right there. I just love that ghost. I think he's perfect right there. Let's see. I'm going to use this little riser and put the other pumpkin here. I was going to have some little leaves go in the background with some little lights, but I could not find them. I'm going to set that right there. And look at this cute little typewriter. It says, "Help!" Is this not cute? I think I picked this up at Michael's a couple of years ago. Also on sale. I like to decorate on a budget, friends. And I found this little thing. I might just stick it right there just because. Oh, it looks a little busy, but I love the way it looks. On this vase here, I picked this vase up at the Gypsy Trunk. It's a store here in Burleson, Texas, home of Kelly Clarkson. And it's called the Gypsy Trunk. And I picked that up, I think, for $10. And I thought it was just a great buy. All right, I'm just going to stick those flowers in there. Now I'm going to go on to this piece. Right here, folks, I bought this bench at Burke's Outlet for like 90 bucks. I invested in it. But I think I love the colors and I love the shape of it. And I am going to decorate it. I think I'm going to use this pillow that my friend Victoria sent me a couple of years ago. An old pumpkin I have from Kirkland's. I'm just going to put it right there, I think. Oh my goodness, here's my pal, my witch that started my collection when my husband started giving me a witch every year for Halloween. I think she's perfect right there. I picked up this sign at Ross for $7.99. That was new this year. This is from the $3 section at Dollar Tree. It doesn't take much to decorate a little area. And my picture here was a gift from a friend when we had your secret boo at school. And I cheated. I already put it up before we were filming because I wanted to be sure that it was straight. And it lights up. The eyes light up on the characters. And here's some witch shoes that my friend Susan gave me last year. I think I'm going to put them right there. And this is a pumpkin from Leanna's aunt, from Aunt Rachel. and it lights up. And I'm going to put it right there. Then I have the candle I picked up from, I can't remember if it was TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I think it was TJ Maxx. But anyway, I think it looks cute right there. And it's kind of plain up there, so I'm going to add this bat from the Dollar Tree. And don't tell my husband, I'm going to staple it to the wall. Shh.
With your red swing line stapler?
Yes, that's all I had after I quit working and I retired. What do you think, Eric?
Good thing they didn't take it from you. You'd have burned the whole skull down.
Well, your daddy bought this for me. How about right here? Or like this? I'm gonna try to hide the staple. It'll be okay, friends. You won't even be able to tell, I don't think. Except if it doesn't work, I'll have to put another one. Oh, well, I noticed that we have extra cans of this paint, house paint, so it'll be okay. I think that's it. How quick and easy was this? Friends, it doesn't take much. Just start collecting your Halloween stuff, or if you have a bunch of stuff in bins, take it out. Start putting it out. My stuff is old, new, and just a collective line of Halloween things that I just love and I put out every year. Okay, friends, hope you enjoyed my decorating tips here. So until next time, love you, friends. Y'all take care. Be kind.